Hey, what's up, bro? Let me tell you something straight up. You'll never look good, never be that attractive guy if you keep doing these things. Yeah, I know it sounds harsh, but hear me out. Even if you were born looking like Cristiano Ronaldo, these habits are going to wipe out all your good looks like that. But here's the deal. If you stop doing these things, your attractiveness is gonna skyrocket, bro. You're gonna turn heads. So stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to level up. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Feeling ugly and blaming your fate. Let's start with this, bro. If you're always thinking, man, I'm ugly, or blaming your bad luck for the way you look, you're doing yourself dirty. Confidence is everything. If you don't believe in yourself, how do you expect others to see you as attractive? Here's a reality check. Beauty standards change. Some girls might love that K-pop look, while others are into sporty tanned surfer vibes. It's subjective, man. Studies even show there's no perfect formula for attractiveness. It's all about how you carry yourself. So stop blaming fate, bro. Accept who you are and focus on leveling up what you can control. Maybe you don't have a model face, but if you're rocking a fit, athletic body, people are gonna notice. Trust me. Confidence and effort will make you look 10 times better than sulking about what you don't have. 2. Lack of discipline. Now here's a big one. Discipline. If you're not taking care of yourself, there's no way you'll look good. Like, you could have the best facial features in the world, but if your body's out of shape, your skin's a mess, and your hygiene is trash, people won't notice the good parts. Start with the basics. Eat clean, work out, and stay hydrated. Oh, and hygiene is non-negotiable, bro. Keep yourself clean, smell good, and dress sharp. When you take care of your body and appearance, it shows. You'll exude confidence, and that's way more attractive than a lazy, messy dude. 3. Jealousy toward better-looking guys. Let's be real. Jealousy is ugly. If you're constantly comparing yourself to other guys and thinking, man, why can't I look like him? You're only dragging yourself down. Instead of wasting energy hating on other dudes, learn from them. What are they doing that you're not? Is it their style, the way they talk, their confidence? Steal the good stuff and make it your own. Bro, being jealous only locks you in this negative mindset. And trust me, no one's attracted to that. So stop hating, start learning. 4. Chasing beauty trends. Here's another mistake. Trying too hard to fit into trends. Like, if Zayn Malik's style is trending, you jump on it. Then when something else is in, you change again. It's exhausting, bro, and people can tell when you're not being authentic. Instead, find your own vibe. What style makes you feel confident? What represents who you are? Once you figure that out and stick to it, people will respect you for being true to yourself. That's way more attractive than trying to look like every other guy. So there you have it, bro. 4 things that are killing your looks. 1 point, feeling ugly and blaming your luck. 2. Not being disciplined with your health and hygiene. 3 point, being jealous of better-looking guys. 4. Chasing trends instead of being yourself. Here's the truth. Being attractive isn't just about your face. It's about how you carry yourself, how you treat others, and how much effort you put into improving yourself. When you accept what you've got and work on becoming the best version of yourself, you'll be unstoppable. So what are you waiting for, bro? Go out there, own it, and show the world your best self. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.